everyone, today we're going to go over a MNPCoin setup tutorial for the wallet. It's very simple and only takes a few minutes. The first step is to head over to MNPCoin.pro/downloads. Click on the computer system you are using. A file will download. You're going to want to click on this and run it. Your computer may ask permission to run this. Just click yes to continue. This MNPCoin core setup wizard screen will pop up. Follow the directions and hit next. The automatic destination folder for the download is just fine unless you prefer to store it elsewhere. So go ahead and click next. And on this last screen, go ahead and click install. Once installed, you can open your wallet and it'll look something like this. And your wallet has been officially set up. To send or receive coins, you can find your specific addresses for sending and receiving by clicking on this File tab, and you can either click Send or Receive, and your address will be right here to be able to copy and paste. Lastly, to send MNPCoin, you'll hit this Send bar. You'll put the address in this Pay To tab of the person you are sending it to. Label it to keep track of it in your overview and select the amount and hit send. It's as easy as that. If you're requesting a payment, label it, select the amount, and hit request payment. That'll automatically show up with your address to go ahead and copy and paste to the sender. That's it, you guys. Your wallet is set up and you're able to send and receive coins. If you have any other questions, find us on Discord and we'll be happy to help you.